In this video, I'll demonstrate using the Fax feature on the Kyocera 408 CI. From the home page, choose the Fax app. Enter your fax number manually, or click on the address icon to choose from an address book, or if you have a one-touch destination set up, choose that. On the left, you can see we are in the destination window. Click on Quick Setup to change the settings, the fax resolution, the size, if you happen to have a two-sided original, two-sided. Continuous scan is a job build feature. The next one down is original send data format. Mixed originals, once again you have two-sided, book original, density, zoom, and more. When you're ready, click the Start button on the panel to begin faxing.